Welcome back, dear friends. It is truly wonderful to have you here today. I hope you're comfortable and ready to spend a few peaceful moments together. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked around and realized that life has become much quieter than it used to be? Perhaps the children have grown up and moved away. Maybe retirement has changed your daily routine. Or perhaps you simply find yourself spending more time alone than you ever imagined. At first, that silence can feel uncomfortable. It may even make you wonder if you've lost something important. But what if that quiet season is not a loss at all? What if it is life's gentle invitation to rediscover yourself? Today, let's explore why learning to be alone is not about loneliness. It is about finding peace, building inner strength, and creating a life that no longer depends on constant noise or other people's approval. Many people think that being alone means something is missing, but the truth is often the opposite. Sometimes life becomes quiet because it is making room for something better. When we are younger, our days are filled with responsibilities. We rush to work, take care of family, solve problems, and meet everyone's expectations. Years pass so quickly that we rarely stop to listen to our own hearts. Then, one day, life slows down. Suddenly, there is more time than before. Instead of fearing that space, learn to welcome it. Use those peaceful moments to read a good book, enjoy a morning walk, watch the sunrise, or simply sit with a warm cup of tea. Those quiet moments are not empty. They are opportunities to heal, reflect, and appreciate the simple gifts that busy years often hide from us. One of the greatest lessons we can learn as we grow older is this: never forget yourself while taking care of everyone else. Many people spend decades putting family first. They work hard, make sacrifices, and give their love without expecting anything in return. There is great beauty in that kind of life. But somewhere along the way, many people stop caring for their own hearts. They ignore their own dreams, postpone their own happiness, and believe their needs no longer matter. Today, make a different choice. Give yourself permission to rest. Eat healthy meals. Move your body every day, even if it is only a short walk around your neighborhood. Laugh more often. Spend time with people who make your heart feel lighter. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It is one of the greatest gifts you can give to both yourself and the people who love you. There will also be times when people disappoint you. Perhaps someone you trusted forgets your kindness. Maybe friends stop calling as often as they once did. Sometimes family members become busy with their own lives, and that can hurt deeply. Those feelings are real, and they deserve to be acknowledged. But never allow someone else's actions to determine your value. Your worth has never depended on how much attention you receive. It has always lived inside your character, your kindness, your wisdom, and your resilience. Some people will stay with us for a lifetime, while others are only meant to walk beside us for a short season. Instead of asking why someone left, ask yourself what that experience has taught you. Every chapter of life leaves behind a lesson, and every lesson makes us stronger. As the years pass, the relationship you have with yourself becomes more important than ever. Listen carefully to the voice inside your own mind. Is it encouraging you, or is it constantly reminding you of your mistakes? Too often, we become our own harshest critics. We replay old regrets and believe it is too late to change. But every sunrise brings another chance to think differently. Instead of saying, "I'm too old to begin again," remind yourself, "I still have today." Instead of saying, "I've failed too many times," say, "My experiences have made me wiser." Instead of focusing on everything you've lost, notice everything you still have. Your health may not be perfect, but perhaps you can still enjoy a walk outside. Your family may not always be nearby, but you still have the ability to love, encourage, and inspire. Gratitude has an incredible way of making even ordinary days feel meaningful. One beautiful gift of spending time alone is that it teaches us what truly matters. When the world becomes quiet, we begin to hear our own thoughts more clearly. We realize that happiness is rarely found in expensive things or endless achievements. Real happiness often lives in simple moments. Watching birds outside your window, listening to the rain, reading a favorite book, preparing a meal with someone you love, holding a grandchild's hand, sharing stories with old friends. These moments may seem ordinary, but one day they become the memories we treasure most. The older we grow, the more we understand that peace is far more valuable than perfection. Another lesson silence teaches us is that not every battle deserves our attention. When we are young, we often feel the need to prove ourselves. We argue over small things. We worry too much about other people's opinions. But wisdom teaches us something different. Peace is worth protecting. You do not need to win every disagreement. You do not need everyone to understand your choices. Sometimes the strongest response is simply to remain calm. Let unnecessary arguments pass by. Forgive when you can. Let go of bitterness that only makes your own heart heavy. Choosing peace does not make you weak. It shows that you have grown strong enough to protect your happiness. If you are blessed with family, treasure every opportunity to spend time together. Tell your children and grandchildren the stories that only you can tell. Share your experiences, your mistakes, and the lessons life has taught you. Your wisdom is a gift that no book can replace. And if your family lives far away, or your circle has become smaller over the years, remember that your life still has great value. Reach out to an old friend. Join a local walking group or community center. Volunteer when you can. Smile at your neighbors. Sometimes a simple conversation can brighten someone's entire day, including your own. The human heart never becomes too old to build meaningful connections. As we come to the end of today's message, remember this one important truth. Learning to be alone is not about closing your heart to the world. It is about becoming strong enough that your happiness no longer depends on constant attention or approval. It is about creating a peaceful life that cannot easily be shaken by disappointment or change. When you enjoy your own company, you become calmer, kinder, and wiser. You stop chasing what does not truly matter and begin appreciating what has been in front of you all along. One day, you will look back and realize that the quiet seasons were never empty. They were preparing you for a life filled with greater peace, deeper gratitude, stronger faith, and lasting joy. So choose kindness, choose health, choose patience, choose hope, choose your family, and above all, choose to stand by yourself with confidence and self-respect. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this message touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who may need these words, and subscribe for more motivational English lessons that help you improve your fluency while bringing wisdom, encouragement, and peace into your daily life. Until we meet again, take good care of yourself, keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, a peaceful heart is one of life's greatest treasures.